Today morning, NIA has carried out searches at 17 locations in Delhi and in UP with active support of Delhi Police and UP Police in connection with an ISIS-inspired module which was in an advanced stage of their preparations, and they were at an advanced stage of carrying out a series of blasts. These searches have been conducted in Seelampur area of Delhi, in Amroha, in one place in Hapur district, and in Meerut and Lucknow also. Large quantities of explosive material, weapons, ammunition, including a country-made rocket launcher, have been recovered so far. A total amount worth about rupees 7.5 lakhs has also been recovered. Large number of phones, nearly 100 mobile phones, 135 SIM cards, laptops, memory cards have also been seized from the accused persons. Some of the searches are still going on. After the initial interrogation of the 16 suspect persons, we have decided to arrest 10 persons, 10 accused persons. जो अभी शुरुआती जानकारी है उसके आधार पर यही कहना ठीक होगा कि they had plans to carry out terrorist attacks at vital installations, at security installations, security personnel, some important persons and crowded places. Political personalities and other personalities. जिस लेवल की प्रिपरेशन थी उससे ये कहा जा सकता है कि जल्दी ही इनका धमाका करने की कोशिश थी और इनके दो फोकस थे। एक तो ये कि रिमोट कंट्रोल्ड बॉम्ब्स बनाए जाएं और दूसरा ज़रूरत पड़ने पे फिदाइन अटैक किया जाए।
सर लखनऊ में किस जगह पे influence the Zakir Naik video because those are kind of links that...
अभी the case, the investigation is in very initial stage. We have conducted searches today. We will arrest them. We will take them on remand. We will question them in detail, and then possibly such questions can be answered. They have extensively used messaging applications like WhatsApp and Telegram for their इंटरनल कम्युनिकेशन। ये पूरी तरीके से एक नया आईसिस इंस्पायर्ड मॉड्यूल है जिसमें कि ये लोग किसी एक फॉरेन बेस्ड हैंडलर के टच में थे। द आइडेंटिटी इज येट टू बी एस्टैब्लिश्ड, द एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन इज येट टू बी एस्टैब्लिश्ड। जो मेन एक्यूज्ड है वो एक अमरोहा की मॉस्क में बतौर मौलवी काम करता है।